important thing to do. Support every woman around you. Respect everything they do because they deserve it. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on this auspicious day. Thank you.
Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable Principal, respected staff members, and my dear sister, a very good morning to all of you. Today I, Chucha Mina Khatun, stand here on behalf of 10th class. Today my topic is few words about Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is an Indian American astronaut and the first Indian woman to fly in space. She was born in Karnal, Haryana, India on July 1, 1961. Kalpana means idea or imagination. She always aimed to become a space scientist during her childhood times. After finishing school, she pursued aeronautical engineering at Punjab Engineering College. She moved to United States in 1982 and obtained a master's degree in the doctorate is aeronautical engineering in the University of Texas. In 1997, she became the first Indian. She was a part of a 6th astronaut trip in 2000. She was selected for her second flight as a part of the trip STS-107. On February 1, 2003, she was killed along with 7 astronauts while the space shuttle got disintegrated on returning to Earth's atmosphere. She was posthumously honored with Congressional Space Medal of Honor, NASA Space Flight Medal, and Star of the Sky. Thank you so much.
International Women's Day. Let me wish a happy Women's Day. All the women present here. International Women's Day is celebrated in 18 March of years. It is the day of celebrate the social, economical, political and cultural achievements of women. Celebrating this day is a way of feeling gratitude to each of awareness about a woman's equality of the day the world's units or applications. Their courage to grow on the heartland society is a better when women are equal respect and are treated equals along with men. Environmental of women is important for the development of country. Women should be educated so that they build an identity of their homes and society. In this day was presented for the women who have it feels great to have a day celebrated achievement of women is the International Women's Day is a recognized it. Thus for granted future.
इसके बाद मैं जहीदा को दावत देती हूँ कि अब यहाँ आके अपने
And all my dear friends, today we are gathered here to celebrate International Women's Day. First of all, I wish all the teachers and my dear friends who are listening to this speech a happy International Women's Day. Women's Day is celebrated globally on 8 March every year. The aim of this day is to highlight women's achievement and promote gender equality. Women play an important role in our society and nation. They play various roles which could be a caring mother, a daughter, a sister, and so on. This day it's important to show the women in your life how much you care and love about them. This day shows the rights of women and the importance of women in the world. In 21st century, the world is slowly moving towards equality for both men and women, which could include equal pay scale, social status, and voting rights for women. This change is necessary and it requires equal opportunities and respect should be given everyone. In this COVID-19 pandemic, also we see that women working at many places like doctors, nurses, and police force, and many others. Women are always a source of inspiration for the family and society. There are many inspiring women like Savitri Bai Phule, Indira Gandhi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kalpana Chawla, Mother Teresa, J.K. Rowling, Sania Nehwal, Sania Mirza, P.V. Sindhu, etc., who work very hard for our society and create history in their own rights.
Through some lights on Women's Day. Women of the world want and deserve an equal future free from stigma and violence. A future that's sustainable, peaceful, with equal rights and opportunities for all. This year, the theme for International Women's Day is Women in Leadership Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. Celebrate the tremendous effort by women and girls around the world in shaping a more equal future and recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic and highlight the gap that remains. Women are also at the forefront of the battle against COVID-19 as frontline and health sector workers, as scientists, doctors. Some of the most efficient and exemplary response to the COVID-19 were led by women. This is why this year International Women's Day is rallying cry for generation equality to act for an equal future for all. There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Thank you. Have a nice day.